Are you thinking of moving to a different country where you won't have to pay heavy taxes on your cryptocurrency investments? You're not alone though. As the value of cryptocurrency skyrockets, some countries around the world are slapping high taxes on crypto investors and businesses, potentially hurting their earnings. These taxes can be levied as either a capital gains tax or an income tax. Fortunately, there are still a few countries where you can move or pay very little tax on your crypto investments. Today, we reveal to you the list of the top 10 crypto tax-free countries. But before we continue, I would like to thank you all for supporting this channel, resulting in growth day by day. Let's get started. Number 1. Germany. While Germany is one of the most taxed countries in Europe, they have an interesting approach to crypto. Cryptocurrency is not regarded as a capital asset in Germany. This means that if you decide to hold your cryptocurrency for more than a year and then sell it, you will not be taxed at all. However, the crucial term here is keeping your cryptocurrency. Because if you decide to sell your cryptocurrency before a year has passed, you will be taxed on the profit, unless the amount is less than 600 euros. Germany also has a new mechanism for taxation staked cryptocurrency. If you're staking your cryptocurrency to earn extra money, this cryptocurrency will be taxed if you've owned it for fewer than 10 years. After 10 years, your staked cryptocurrency will be tax-free. Number 2. The Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands are one of the most controversial financial jurisdictions. So it's no surprise that we've included this lovely set of islands on our list of crypto tax havens. For many years, the Cayman Islands have been the go-to tax haven for investors from a wide range of business sectors. So cryptocurrency is no exception, and the Cayman Islands is one of the countries that does not levy a cryptocurrency tax. If you move here, you'll be relieved to learn that the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority does not levy capital gains or income tax on its residents. Additionally, there is no corporate tax for businesses. So, whether you run a small crypto business or a large corporation, the Cayman Islands will not tax you a single cent. However, because the country makes cash through luxury goods, tourism, and work permits, the cost of living here is extraordinarily expensive. So, while it may be the ideal cryptocurrency tax haven, you need to make sure your finances are in order. Number 3. El Salvador. El Salvador made international headlines in September 2021 when it became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal money. Bitcoin can now be used to purchase anything from groceries to a house. You can also use this country as a cryptocurrency tax haven. The government did this to position itself as one of the few countries free of cryptocurrency taxes in order to attract more investment to the region. But that wasn't the only thing they did. To encourage more foreigners to move to their country, they stated that all foreigners would be excused from paying taxes on any income generated by their Bitcoin earnings. So if you're a Bitcoin investor, El Salvador is most likely the best place to move. Number 4. Malaysia. Malaysia, like Germany, does not consider cryptocurrencies to be a capital asset. The Malaysian government does not recognize it as legal money. This means that cryptocurrency is effectively tax-free in the country. But there's a small twist to it. The Malaysian Inland Revenue Board has stated that Bitcoin is tax-free only if it is not a repetitive or regular source of income. In summary, if you treat your Bitcoin as a day trader, the revenue will tax you. Unfortunately for businesses, there is no way around it. Malaysia levies an income tax on any revenues made from cryptocurrency, regardless of whether they are in fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Number 5. Malta. Apart from being on our list of cryptocurrency tax-free countries, Malta is also known as the blockchain island since the country acknowledges cryptocurrencies as a store of value and a means of exchange, with an emphasis on the store of value. This means you won't have to pay capital gains tax on any long-term earnings you make from selling your cryptocurrency, as long as it's recognized as a store of value. This is ideal if you intend to hold your cryptocurrency for a period of time before selling it when the price has risen to a profitable level. However, if you operate as a crypto day trader, your crypto will be subject to a business income tax of up to 35% on all profits. However, this is mostly determined by the Maltese tax system, which considers criteria such as your residency and the amount you earn through cryptocurrency. If you fall into the appropriate tax rate, you can pay as little as 3% to nothing on your profits. As a result, Malta is one of the top crypto tax haven countries in our perspective. Number 6. Switzerland. Because of its low taxation, Switzerland has long been regarded as one of the best countries in the world for financiers. In terms of cryptocurrency, the country has recently gained the moniker Crypto Valley and is a top crypto tax haven. But before we go any further, we should point you that you can still pay crypto tax in Switzerland. It all relies on things such as your tax rate and the activities you engage in. For example, if you are a qualified day trader or a licensed crypto miner, you will be subject to both income and wealth taxes, depending on how much revenue you earn each year. Individual investors who do not trade or mine on a professional level, on the other hand, will not be subjected to capital gains tax. Cryptocurrency trading is tax-free for this group. Number 7. Puerto Rico. Despite the fact that Puerto Rico is a U.S. territory, the local administration has differing opinions on taxation. Puerto Ricans, for example, pay a substantially lower federal income tax rate than Americans on the mainland USA when it comes to cryptocurrency. What's more, if you acquire digital assets as a Puerto Rican resident, you won't have to pay any capital gains tax. This means that if you move to Puerto Rico and acquire cryptocurrency there, you will not have to pay any taxes on it. However, for any cryptocurrency purchased outside of the region, you must follow up with the revenue authority of your home nation. Aside from that, Puerto Rico should be considered as one of the countries with no cryptocurrency taxes. Number 8. Belarus. Belarus has one of the most lenient tax systems in Eastern and Western Europe. As a result, it's no surprise that it's on our list of tax-free cryptocurrency countries. In March of 2018, the country made a really wise decision about cryptocurrency. Unlike most European countries, which adopted crypto tax regulations during the Bitcoin boom, the country decided to legitimize cryptocurrency transactions and exempt all businesses and individuals from any crypto tax until 2023. This means that any earnings made through crypto activities such as mining, trading, staking, and holding are not subject to capital gains or income taxes. The Belarusian government implemented this law in order to boost domestic digital investment. However, you only have 1 year to take advantage of this benefit, so act quickly if you want to enjoy the benefits of one of the best countries with no crypto tax. Number 9. Singapore. You've definitely noticed the huge migratory trend of crypto exchanges like Femex and KuCoin to move their headquarters to Singapore. There's a good reason for this. Singapore has no capital gains tax. So, regardless of whether you make a profit from selling or trading your cryptocurrency, you will not be required to pay any tax on the gains produced. As a result, Singapore is one of the tax-free cryptocurrency countries. Singapore's government considers cryptocurrencies as intangible property as well. This means that if you use cryptocurrency to purchase products or services, the transaction is seen as a barter trade rather than a payment. So, while goods and services are taxed, your cryptocurrency token is not. Unfortunately, this service is only offered to private investors. There is an income tax if you run a business that accepts cryptocurrency as payment. This also applies to any corporation whose principal service is the sale of cryptocurrency. As an individual investor, however, this is one of the best crypto tax havens. Number 10. Portugal. Aside from the beautiful beaches and resorts, you'll want to visit Portugal because of its advantageous approach to crypto investors. If you want to enjoy your Bitcoin riches down to the last penny, Portugal is one of the greatest cryptocurrency tax-free countries to move to. In 2018, the Portuguese government declared that all crypto profits made from selling cryptocurrencies were tax-free. The Portuguese government has recently declared that all profits from cryptocurrency trading are tax-free. As a result, if you are not a certified crypto business in Portugal, you will not be subject to income tax or VAT. As a result, for a big number of cryptocurrency investors, Portugal is the best crypto tax haven on the planet. We hope you found this video on crypto tax-free countries useful. However, before making any plans to move to a no crypto tax country, You should consult with a tax professional and a legal advisor who can better guide you and keep you up to date on the latest regulations. Again, thank you for always supporting this channel to grow more. Have a nice day.